How to turn on Meta AI Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn on Meta AI on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, what you'll need to do is open up your Instagram. Now to check if you already have the Meta AI or not, head over to AnyChat, and on AnyChat, simply type in @ and simply Meta AI. So here simply choose Meta AI, and if you see an option pop up, that means that Meta AI is working and enabled in yours. If there is no any option in here, that means that it's not available. So the first thing that you can do is update the Instagram app. So for that, head over to your app store, head over to the search bar and search for Instagram. And after you find Instagram, simply tap on the update button. Update the app, and after you update the app, your Meta AI should start working. Now, even after updating the app, if Meta AI does not work in your device, the reason can be that Meta AI is currently not available in your region. If that's the case, you will need to wait for the time till Instagram makes it available in your region. So yeah, all you can do is wait if it's not available, and if it is available, all you have to do is update the app. And after you update the app, you can simply type the @ symbol followed by Meta AI in the chat and start using Meta AI. Or you can also head over to the search bar and just type in ask Meta AI to use AI. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.